Hello, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Alum Trends TV. Welcome to the second edition of the Business Money Talk Show right here on Alum Trends TV. Yes, so as I promised you in my previous video that I'll be giving you details on how to make money on Jumia, I am here today and I think this is the right time because in 2 weeks from today, Jumia Ghana will be celebrating their 8th year anniversary and there will be a lot of discounts on products that you and I as affiliates can make money from. So I'm here to give you details on how to sign up as an affiliate and how to make some cool cash in addition to your day-to-day or 9-to-5 work. Yeah, so today's video is coming to you right here from one of the plush apartments of Les Suites in Accra, Ghana. They have the best apartment in town, so whenever you're in Ghana, make sure you locate Les Suites and book one of these beautiful apartments for yourself and family. Yes, so today I'm here in a Jumia shirt, J-Force shirt, yes, to give you all the tips that you need to get you going. Being an affiliate is a perfect way of making money without owning a single product or even a shop, not to talk of moving in town with products belonging to people that you are selling. So this is purely online work. You have to sell online and make your money. Commission is what you earn. And other bonuses. When it comes to Jumia, there are other bonuses that you enjoy at the end of every month. When you reach your target or you surpasses your target, you make money and make interest and bonuses. So today we'll be delving deep into how to sign up. I'll be showing you how much sales I've made on Jumia since somewhere 2018 till date. So this is a perfect way for you and I to make money. So if you are interested, you need to watch this video for more details and let's make some money on the 8th Jumia's anniversary coming up. Yo, so to become an affiliate of Jumia, you need to sign up on the Jumia website. Jumia operates in most of the African countries. So if you are in one of these countries, you need to get to the website and sign up as an affiliate. Put in your details, you need to be confirmed, and after you are confirmed, you will be given a unique code which you will need to include in every link of a product that you are going to sell. Without including your link, you are not going to earn no money on that product you are selling. So always make sure you include your verified affiliate code in every link of a product that you are selling. Yo, so without talking much, let's get right onto my PC and I'll take you through step-by-step ways to get signed up. I'll be leaving links in the description where you can join my team that I can support and coach you on how to make money, how to sell and other things. So without much ado, let's get on the PC and get it started. Yo guys, so welcome to the portal. So before you get started, you need to log on to www.affiliates.jumia.com. Currently, Jumia is in these African countries: Ghana, Nigeria, Senegal, Tunisia, Uganda, Kenya, Egypt, Cote d'Ivoire, Algeria, and Morocco. So if you are in any of these countries and you would like to be an affiliate of Jumia, you need to log on to affiliates.jumia.com. So when you log on, it will bring you to this interface, this very interface. So it starts with the Jumia logo at the top here, left corner. Then at the right corner you will see sign in. So it's for those of us who are already affiliates, we can sign it through that. Or if you are new, you register. Or you can also click to become an affiliate. So something is written here in Jumia affiliate program. Start earning big with commission up to 13%. So when you scroll down, you will see how does it work. So first of all, you need to register for free and get approved the next day. Then you advertise using your wide range of banners, paid or VIP link generator. Then you get paid. Earn a commission up to 13 on all orders customers make within 7 days from clicking on your ad. You optimize. Use our comprehensive reporting tools analyze and optimize your performance for higher returns. So this is how it is. So next we have to click on become an affiliate. Yeah, so it brings it here, and you need to fill in these infos: your name, your email, mobile. You select your country, then your website. So you click on register, then you are done. But since I am inside already, or I am an affiliate already, I have to click on already have account, login. So you're going to log into my account. Yeah, so this is where everything starts. So here is my account. The left corner, you will see performance, advertising, reporting, payment, and support. So performance, when you click there, it's going to show you all the orders you've placed, commissions, and other things. So when you click here, you need to select the country from where you are browsing from. So I am in Ghana, I'll select Ghana. Then you choose your date and other things, but I won't be doing this right now. I'm just showing you something. So advertising, this is where you can build links for your website, or just pick up any product from the Jumia website and come here, build your link, and make a purchase. Since Jumia operates in multiple countries or an international country, you always need to select the country you are living in to see your reports or even build a link. So you click here, then it takes you to the next level. So this is Jumia URL. This means that any product that you see on the Jumia website, so here is the Jumia Ghana website. This is how it looks like. So let's say I want to buy these boxes. I'll click on the boxes. Then it's going to show me the link of the boxes at the top here. So I'll copy that link, move to the Jumia affiliate portal, and I'll paste the link there. Then automatically the system generates a link for me with my unique verified affiliate code included. So when you see this place, I'm going to select it. That is my unique link, and it's inclusive. So if I want to place this order, I'm now going to copy this link right here, then open a new tab, paste it there, then I go back to my boxer or underwear, boxer shorts. Right now, when I choose my size and make a purchase by adding to my cart, this purchase that I'm going to make right now is having my affiliate link. So when the purchase is done and completed, that means money has been paid and product delivered to the customer, I will earn a commission on this amount of money. I think it's clear. So this is how it works. So right now I'll be showing you how much sales I've made on Jumia, but I'll also let you know that in Ghana we have a Jumia app for we the affiliates called the JForce app. We have it on our phones, so we don't come here to check all those things. I only come here to build links, but I don't check my performance and other things here because it's in my app on my smartphone, so I always check that there. So this is the Jumia Ghana platform, as you can see from here, www.jumia.com.gh. Yes, so that is my account, Franklin. So we are going to check others that I've placed so far on Jumia. Yes, so I've placed 17 others. Some of them were not successful, but most of them is like just these 2 or 3 that were not successful. So I just sold a phone which is worth over 500 Ghana cedis, almost 600 cedis. That was in February. Yeah, so these are the sales that I've made so far. These are the sales that I've made so far. Orders that I've placed, successful orders that I've placed. You can see that delivered is written on the ones that got delivered to their various purchases. Yeah, so we move to the next page. Still, I've bought blenders, shoes, phones, irons. Yes, so this is not just for the views, but it is something that I have done over the years and I'm still doing. I've made over 1,000 cedis here last year December, and commission, bonuses. I was giving some products for use and money, so you can also make it. Yeah guys, so these are the few steps of joining the Jumia affiliate program. It's just simple as that. I'll be leaving links in the description on how to join my team, so that when you need any info, that this will be for those in Ghana or wherever you are. I will leave my email too. So if you are curious and want to join the Jumia force, J Force, and make some money as side hustle, you can link up with me in my email. I'll be ready to help you free of charge, just to help you make it too. It's not easy to solve, but if you are someone who is good at marketing, this is a great opportunity for you to. You don't have to move out of your house. You don't have to go and sit in no office. Just click, show it to your friend. Oh Charlie, what are you buying? If you want to buy a shoe for yourself, you just build a link to the affiliate platform, make your purchase and make money. That's some of the things that they sell. They sell groceries, phones, health and beauty, office, electronics, computer, fashion, sport, gaming, baby products, and everything that you can think of. So Jumia is the best place to be, and to becoming an affiliate is the best way or the smartest way to make some cool cash online. This is where we ended the video today. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it to your other friends, and do not forget to take action to become an affiliate. It's free of charge, just to make some money, side hustle. It helps in times of need. Peace out guys.